You're listening to the Seen and Solved podcast, brought to you by Hubbard-Hall.
Can you share with us an example of when, Hubbard-Hall really particularly solved a problem for a customer that maybe a competitor couldn't address?
Yeah, I could think of one. We had a customer who had a location where they were buying about, say, 30 to 40 different products from multiple suppliers, say 12 to 14 different suppliers. Individual purchase orders for what they need. They need to carry 30 to 40 days worth of inventory of each product. They have, multiple invoices, multiple deliveries happening each week from all these different suppliers. It's creating a lot of headaches, a lot of bottlenecks, a lot of excess inventory. And so what we deployed is a vendor managed inventory for them. And so this means that we take full control of their supply chain, and we manage all of the inventory levels. We deliver to them once per week with everything that they need for that week. And we carry all of that inventory so that they don't have to. That means their spaces now can be used for their core competencies. That means that there's a drastic number in the number of purchase orders, number of invoices, the number of deliveries. So there's a lot of operational gains that they experience now with everything being consolidated and managed by us.
The Seen and Solved podcast is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.